How's it going, everyone? This is Scale Model Car Guy channel here, and well, it's kind of a nasty day outside. It's kind of wet. I can't mow the grass, can't do nothing, so I'm stuck inside today along with everybody else, I'm sure. So I was going through a bunch of stuff and trying to figure out what could I build that wouldn't take that long. And then I realized, well, I don't know, it all takes a long time, it seems like. But I was racking through my brain if I had anything started or what. And I come across a 1/16 scale that I had for years. I mean, I've had it for a long time. And I guess I started it, had to be years ago. And the body was a little bit warped on it. And I put rubber bands around it to hopefully, over the years, kind of keep it in, get it back into shape or whatever. But I don't know. I got to looking at it, and it still has a little bit of warpage and stuff. And I'm thinking about trying to go ahead and finish what I've started on it. The only thing I've really gotten done was the engine, and started. Well, that's pretty much all I got done. A little bit of the chassis work and engine, and I'll turn it around here and show you what it is that I'm thinking about building here, and put it on the bench because I've got nothing else going on other than that resin casting stuff. I haven't got more stuff in to finish stuff like that up right now. So right now it is what it is. I'll turn this around and show you what I'm thinking about starting. Alright, here we go. I was pulling out some of my stuff, and I was looking for something to start, like I just said, and everything. And I got these two Ferraris right here. I couldn't remember which one I had started. They're both 1/16 scale. And so I pulled it up, and it's this one right here that I had started. The other one's not even ever been started. I think these are from like 1987. I didn't get them in 87, but I've had them for a long time. You can see the dust on them. But this one here's the twin turbo Testarossa. I think it's the Koenig. I don't know how to say it, but let me open this up and let me show you what I'm talking about. It's right here. I don't know if you can see with the camera. That body's just a little bit warped on it. But everything else seems to line up alright. But I'm hoping once maybe I get it painted, get the glass in, you can see right there just a little bit. I'm hoping that I can get it back into place. It's off just a hair. Like I said, I've had these rubber bands on here for a long time trying to get it back in. If any of y'all have any advice for me, I'd like to know. But it ain't bad, it's just a hair bit. But by the time I cut all this support stuff off and get all the glass mounted and everything, I'm hoping, and then this inner, I guess, what do you call that, bonnet area, whatever this is right here where the spare tire trunk, hoping once I get that whole section in there and stuff like that, that everything will start coming back together, coming in to where it's not warped. Like I said, it's just a hair bit warped, but it's not bad. So if y'all have any advice for me, I'd like to know. But yeah, that's all that's been done on it right there. I think this right here, even though it's packaged by Revell, it's the old Fujimi kit out of Japan. That's what the molds are. Both of these molds were from the Fujimi 1/16 scale. And as you can see right here, how Japanese kits are notorious about being motorized. Of course, it's got a little plate right here to go over that to cover that up, and it don't come with no motor or nothing. But Japanese kits back in the day, for whatever reason, they were optioned as motorized or not. But like I said, it's the old Fujimi kit, but molding and everything. But I'll tell you right now, it's a very detailed kit. I mean, you can see this is the Koenig, I don't know how you spell that, the twin turbo version. Then you also got the doors and stuff for the regular whatever Ferrari it was. You can see right there. So, but this is the twin turbo version. And I think that's the one I'm going to put on the bench right now. I know a lot of y'all got group builds going on right now, like the egg plane, which I don't have any egg plane anything. I don't know. Got a Hasegawa van here, but I don't think that's a Squirrels of Summer. It's not egg plane. I don't have anything egg plane, so. And as far as big rig build, don't do much big rigs. I got this one right here, down here, but I was gonna wait and build the Porsche that goes with it, so I won't enter that. I don't have too many big rigs, like I said, but maybe next year I'll get in on that one. But alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, this is what I've gotten done so far. Building the Ferrari. Okay. I've just mocked up the intercoolers, turbos, the exhaust. You can see I got it taped on the bottom. Now, after that dries good, I got to take them off and start painting them. I'm going to try to get this work a little section at a time. So I'm going to try to get the this section done right here, and then I'll start in on the suspension, get it done before I tackle that warp body. I'm dreading doing that, but maybe once it all starts coming together, I can, hopefully it won't be a waste of time. Alright, let's see. So, I'll take those off here in a minute. They're not glued, just a little bit of tack glue, but I mean, I can pop those off. You can see the detail on the engine already so far. Still got a lot more detail to do. I cut this section out right here. This right here, that was for like the batteries, because this thing could originally been motorized, but we're not motorizing it because you can see right here the filter. I don't know if you can, that wouldn't have fit if that box would have stayed there. That box wouldn't hurt nothing, other than I couldn't get the filter in there. Not that you're actually going to see it, but I just know that that's where it'll be, just for my sake. I know I'm just anal like that. I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. I got the body sitting here, trying to stretch it on this right here a little bit, but that poor body's got a warp to it. But alright then, it's sitting here trying to work on this while I'm home. I'm sure a lot of y'all are home too. It's hard for me to keep up with everybody's post. Everybody's being home, so everybody's posting. My phone's just blowing up. So I'm sorry if I don't get to you right away, but I will get them all watched. And I'll probably be posting this here in a minute or two myself. So, alright guys, be safe.